Mamas, let me tell y'all something. These kids is expensive. Y'all need to go to SHEIN.com or SHEIN on the app and get these kids clothes. Baby, I was able to get my son a True Religion set for $8. Like what? Pants and all. And 3 other sets together for the winter. Don't be sleep on SHEIN kids. Let me show y'all how these clothes look. Got him some Paw Patrol. I paid a total of $30 for all of this. And this is like 4 outfits. Let me go ahead and show y'all how it looks. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and show y'all how these clothes look. Excuse my son in the background. He's playing or whatever. So, yeah, I can't really do nothing about that. But SHEIN kids is most slept on. Look at this. I got him some PJs. And I'm so happy that I did open this package because he just got out the shower and I was just about to go try to find him some PJs. And look, you don't even got to. Look at these Paw Patrol PJs. Okay, y'all. So this is how it looks on him. Look at this. So amazing. Stand up. So he does wear a 4Y in kids. Look at this. Look at my little model. Okay, turn around. Turn around. So yes, y'all. Those are his PJs, and I believe his PJs were about $4. Now, this is a three outfits I ended up purchasing. I think this was like $18, $19. Yeah, it's 3 different ones. And I feel like it's perfect. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 3 outfits, y'all. You can't tell me nothing. I will now, from now on, be getting his clothes from SHEIN. And last but not least, True Religion. You can't tell me this don't go hard. True Religion? True Religion. Y'all see that? True Religion with SHEIN. You can't tell me that don't go hard. What? Baby, we balling on a budget all 2025. If y'all enjoy content like this, be sure to follow your girl for more.